Question 9a, you're asked to find the tangent of that function at the point 0, 3. As soon as you're talking about the tangent, we have to find the derivative first. So the derivative function is 4x minus 7. So in other words, my gradient of the tangent m is equal to 4. So we simply substitute in, we find out the value of the gradient function. So I've got my C value, my M value. So y is equal to (4x plus 3). So question 9a, you're asked to find the tangent of that function at 0, 3. Now the first thing I've got to do is to take the derivative. So it's 4x minus 7. Now, when x is equal to 0, the value of the derivative is going to equal 0. So I've got my gradient of -7 and the point 0, 3. So c is equal to 3. So therefore the tangent is y is equal to -7x plus 3. Now, as you saw in one of the earlier problems I demonstrated, it doesn't hurt to have a practice or double check this on your calculator. So interactive calculation, line, tan line, put in the value, and we want the point 0. And okay, -7x plus 3, which is what we got there. And if you want to, you can put them both onto a graph. So you can see, nice little pictorial representation. In B, very similar thing. I'm going to take the derivative. So it gives me -8 minus 6x. When x is equal to -1, -2, I have my gradient, -2, and I've got my point. C ends up being 8, so I therefore have the equation of the gradient, y is equal to -2x plus 8 as my answer. Now this will also work for a cubic function such as shown here. It's a gradient of 2, 4, sorry. When I do that, I take the derivative to find the gradient function, and when I get there, that is going to be, sorry, I'll just try that again. I cheated, I went to the derivative. Now my derivative in this case is going to be 3 over 2x squared. And what I then do is to find the gradient when x is equal to 2. And that ends up being 6, or m is equal to 6. To find the equation, y is equal to mx plus c. 4 is then equal to 6 times 2 plus c. c is -8. So my gradient function is y is equal to 6x minus 8. Once again, if you want to put that into your calculator and double check it, it might be worth your while.